The man accused of gunning down UnitedHealthcare CEO, that's Brian Thompson, is expected to appear in a New York courtroom this afternoon. That's 26-year-old Luigi Mangione. He's charged with first-degree murder in Thompson's death outside a hotel in Midtown Manhattan last year. Nikki Battiste has been following this case.
Luigi, want to say something?
For the first time, accused killer Luigi Mangione opened up from his jail cell, writing he's grateful for those who have shared their support. The message was posted to a new website set up by his lawyers to handle what they describe as an extraordinary amount of attention around the case.
We'll see him for the first time in 2 months. How significant is that?
It's significant to see Luigi Mangione at any point in time because of the enormous public interest in this case and this fan base, this cult base that has developed around him.
Mangione faces 11 charges in New York, including terrorism-related murder charges and weapons offenses in the shooting death of UnitedHealthcare CEO Brian Thompson last December. Thompson, a husband and father of 2 from Minnesota, was shot in the back. Mangione has pleaded not guilty. He also faces multiple charges in Pennsylvania and in federal court after a 6-day manhunt ended with his arrest in western Pennsylvania. A fund set up for Mangione's legal defense has been flooded with more than $500,000.
There have been certain defendants that in the course of time have captivated the public interest. We can think back to the horrendous crimes committed by Charles Manson. And yet, whenever Manson would have a hearing over all of the years, we would learn that he got letters and postcards and gifts from women while he was in prison. And he was one of the worst criminals that America has ever seen. Well, that type of cult following is exactly what is happening here. And to say it is bizarre and unusual is certainly an understatement.
One of the federal charges against Mangione makes him eligible for the death penalty if he's convicted. A hearing set for Monday in Pennsylvania has been canceled. At today's hearing, a trial date could be set for the case against Mangione here in New York State. And one of the points that several legal experts have made to me is how critical jury selection will be for the prosecution, given the support that Mangione does have.
I'll be very curious, Nikki, to see his demeanor in court. But I find what Ricky called the cult base and the fan base so disturbing. We all have issues with health insurance, what they did, and better yet, what they didn't do. But just the fact that this man was gunned down, what we saw on that tape is so upsetting that he would be supported in that.
We've seen supports like this of defendants in the past, like Ricky has said, but it's really important to remember that this is about justice for Brian Thompson.
Correct.
That he has 2 sons and a wife.
That's a good reminder.
All right, Nikki, we know you'll stay on top of it. Thank you so much.